So I read that there is a way to repair this switch, and I'm going to give it a try. The first thing we need to do is gently take the button off, the button housing off right here. Now, I heard this could be difficult, but I'm going to give it a try and see how this works out. So you can see I just used a larger size screwdriver. I put it on the edge of the button and gently pried it up. And that's how I got the left side up. And I'm going to turn this over and try and get the right side done. And so now you can see I've got I have the button released. You want to be firm with your pressure to lift up on this button housing, but you want to be careful because it is easy to break. So you want to be firm, and it will come off. And you can see here, this is what it looks like separated. Now the next step, you can see those two little rectangles just below the holding clips. See those two right there? You're going to put a small screwdriver, like a 4-inch screwdriver, inside that line and just gently pry those apart. Again, I just used a small screwdriver and was able to get this apart, and it comes apart just like this. Now, the repair that I read about is that you just need that these soldering points break. To be honest with you, they actually don't look bad to me. But I do have a soldering iron that I haven't probably used in 20 years. But I do have a soldering iron, so I'm going to put a little bit of solder on all 5 of those guys, and we'll see if that repairs the switch. So these are the soldering points that we're going to resolder. I'm going to do all 5 of them. And so this will be the last one I'll be soldering. So as you can see, I've got fresh solder on all 6 of those, or 5 of those points. Now I have to be honest, I am not particularly encouraged that this is going to work, but you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So we'll plug it in a little bit later into the switch and see if we can get the car windows to raise up and raise down. Putting it back together is a very simple process. You know, you just put it in like that. And then, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah, almost got it. Okay, I'm going to have to just use 2 hands on this, but you just push it down in and it will re-secure. There it is back again. Once I was able to put the pressure on evenly, it went right back in. It took me about 2 seconds. And then the only thing left to do is to securely put the switch housing back on, and this switch will theoretically be repaired. Again, not very encouraged, but we'll see what happens. You want to put that back on, and you want to put enough pressure on it and do it until you hear it click. And once you've got it in there, you should be able to put it up and feel it go down. Okay? And you can see it's back in there securely. And so now we have the moment of truth with this repaired switch. I don't have high hopes for it, but let's see what happens. Oh my God! I can't believe that, it works! Look at that! I cannot believe that actually worked. Ha! How cool is that? So, if you want to try this repair, you can do it, not even buy a new switch. I can't believe that worked. So this OEM switch is working again. I'll just keep it as a spare. That's pretty cool. Just by putting solder on those 5 points, the switch is fixed. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps someone in terms of their repair of getting their window up and down.